back, my friends, and happy Monday. I hope everyone enjoyed their weekend, but this is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed. And as always, the links are in the description box below. Today's job lead is from the company Simply Insured. Now, Simply Insured is on a mission to eliminate the fear of health insurance. They guide people through no-hassle health insurance for small businesses. And if you scroll down this page past all of the stuff about their company, they have an open position for a data entry associate. Now, real quickly, what's in it for you? They are paying $15 an hour, and they're also offering a $2,000 annual bonus. They pay for all of your life, health, and accidental insurance. So they pay all the premiums. They also pay all the premiums for your medical, dental, and vision insurance. And they also offer stock option packages, so that's another way to get additional money. Buy some stock options, the stock goes up, you get extra money. But what this data entry role is about is being a member of their revenue operations team and being responsible for small business applications for health, dental, and vision insurance. You'll see those applications through the approval process. As part of the team, you'll review the applications and you'll prepare and submit those applications to different insurance carriers for approval. So you'll be responsible for reviewing and typing in and compiling all necessary information, making sure that you have all the information, it's properly formatted, and then you'll submit that to insurance companies. They do not require any kind of college degree. They do want someone who has 1 to 2 years of customer service or sales experience, someone who is productive and can multitask, someone who has a passion for helping people, someone who can work in a high volume environment, and someone who is familiar with support tickets or CRM software tools. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.